Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Allow me introduce myself to you. My name is Ismawanto. I am a college student for Master of Education in English Department in Indraprastha University. Now, I'm interested to share to you about Organizing the Body of the Speech by Stephen Lucas. I take this topic from his book, and this video is the midterm for academic speaking for specific purposes. Because I have limited time, I have only 10 minutes, so I decided the outline. The first is why is the speech organization important? The second, main point, and the third, pattern of organizing main point, and the fourth tips for preparing main point, and the fifth using connected between section, and the last is conclusion. Okay, this is the first section. Why is speech organization important? There are three reasons to answer this question. The first, making speech be organized strategically. I mean, the speaker must design speech well in order they can deliver speech well. They can deliver their idea. I mean, the second, boosting confidence as a speaker. So the speaker can easy in delivering their idea. Uh, it will be different for us. For example, if the speaker give the description in the scramble point, for example. So I think it will be lose their confidence. And the last is improving ability to deliver a message friendly. So the message can be, I mean, the audience can be easy to take the point. In mind point, we must pay attention. For here, the first, select them carefully. I mean, there are many points, but we have to select them carefully. And the second, press them precisely. I mean, the speaker have to give description based on their own word. And the third, arrange them strategically. And the last, develop more than 4 or 5 main points in order the audience can easy to catch the point. And the third, pattern of organizing main point. Pattern of organizing main point. We can use by chronological order. Chronological order here uh, relate with series of time in sequence. So it will be relate with the time pattern. The second, spatial order. So the topic can be divided into 2 or 3 parts in order to be easy in delivering the ideas. For example, if we talk about, for example, Italy, we can take into 3 parts. For example, the first part is uh, northern Italy, and the second is the central Italy, and the third is uh, southern Italy. Causal order relating with the case and the effect. So the speaker have to give case, after that give effect. Problem and solution, it will be similar with the causal effect, but here we have to put first about the problem. After that, we can give the solution, some of the solution about that problem. I mean, and the last is the topical order. I mean, the topic can be divided into 3 or 4 subunits in order the speaker, I mean the audience can catch the point, can be can get the detailed information about that. The fourth, tip for preparing main point. The first, keep main point separately. I mean here, for example, here, if you use uh, one one action verb Yeah, in every part, in every point, use only one action verb. And the second, try to use the same pattern of wording for main point. I mean here, if the first point if the first point use the action verb, so in the first sentence, I mean, so the second and the third point should be use uh, the action verb too, yeah, in front of the sentence, for example. And the third is balance the amount of time devoted the main time. I mean here the series of time. For example, or series of number, for example, is okay. For example, like this: 40% people in Indonesia, and then after that, 50% in Indonesia, and then 70% people in Indonesia. That is the example like that. Next, using connected between section. The first we can use transition. Yeah. Here, for example, we have discussed about the topic, and the topic has been finished, has been finished, has finished. So we can move to the next step, to the next point. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have discussed, for example, we have discussed about that, and let us to move to our point, next point. Next is internal preview. I believe in your speech, you will take from the expert. So after that, you explain or you give the description in detail. That is, I mean, is preview based on your own word. And then internal summary. I think you will take your speech by 3 or 4 expert. So after that, you can give a summarize. You can give a summarize based on your own word. And then the last is signpost. Signpost, I mean, you give a sign because is very important to be to understand. Yeah, to understand. For example, the first case is, and the second case is, the third case is, this is the signpost. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the conclusion in my presentation. The first is well-organized speech, improve our improve communication. I mean, we can design speech in well organization in order to be easy be easy to deliver about the ideas. The second is use an appropriate organizational pattern for your speech. And the last is utilize effective transition in order to catch the point. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. Billahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.